Super simple purple makeup tutorial by the beautiful Shilpa. Starting off with a black eyeliner, applying it with a very thin, fine eyeliner brush. Drawing a line, just like in a cut crease makeup look. Making sure the line is pretty black and bold. Looking so creative already! Fill in the lines and apply the eyeliner all over the lids until they're all covered. Look at that gorgeous purple glitter! Starting application from the inner corners and working our way to the outer corners. We are so in love with these shimmery eye makeup looks. What do you guys think? Fill it all in with enough glitter until it's all covered. Adding a little bit more black to give more definition to the eyes. Repeating the same step on the lash line as well, so the eyeliner is noticeable. OMG! It's looking superb! Don't you think so? Lining the lower lashes as well, so the makeup is complete. Let's add a little bit of purple eyeshadow to the lower lashes. Making those inner corners glow with a bright and shiny eyeshadow. Applying a little bit of mascara and a pair of beautiful falsies like a cherry on top. Fabulous, isn't it?